Are you tired of the same old barbecue routine and want to take your barbecue game to the next level? Well, we have just the thing for you. The Universal Kettle Rotisserie Kit by Flaming Coals. If you currently own a Weber kettle, Pro Smoke or any other 57cm round kettle barbecue, then the Flaming Coals Rotisserie Kit is the best value for money on the market. It comes with a solid one-piece skewer that's 8mm thick, 2 prongs, and a 240 volt 8kg capacity motor. Unlike other kettle rings on the market, the Flaming Coals model also comes with an adapter ring that makes it compatible with all brands of 57cm kettles, which do vary slightly in diameter from 52cm to 58cm. With an internal cooking area of 54cm, you can comfortably fit 2 chickens, 2 roasts, or 6 kg of gyro. Imagine spit roasting mouth-watering pork, chicken, or beef, all self-marinated in their own juices as they slowly rotate over charcoal. Nothing beats the taste of juicy, smoky meat cooked to perfection on a rotisserie. Whether you're an experienced grill master or a novice, the Flaming Coals Kettle Rotisserie Kit is the perfect addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. It's easy to install, versatile, and will take your barbecue game to the next level. Best of all, at this price point, it gets you into the amazing world of rotisserie cooking without a massive price tag, and without needing to buy a whole new barbecue. As the rotisserie skewer is a standard 8mm thick, there are a range of optional extras depending on what you're planning on cooking. Accessories include additional chicken prongs for cooking chickens and roasts, gyro discs for souvlaki style shaved meat, and baskets to cook pork belly, chicken wings, steaks, ribs, fish, and so much more. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Universal Kettle Rotisserie Kit today and start cooking like a pro.